Gala. Gala sounds cool, right? Gala, games and stuff. I should buy that Gala thing. But where's the pullbacks? Where am I gonna buy Gala? It's already pumped. I missed the pump. So where am I gonna buy Gala? Okay, you may be asking that. So we're gonna take a look at Gala and which levels that we're going to be looking for pullbacks where we can dollar cost average and get into Gala, because you know what? Gala, I like the project. They make games and stuff. So let's take a look at Gala, okay, objectively, because this is very important. Where can we find pullbacks in this crazy crypto market where we can look to dollar cost average and profit off of these crazy coins, whether they are coins or whether they are good coins? Who knows? But we can always find areas. So we've had this parabolic massive move from Gala. It's heading to the moon, okay? Where are we going to look for Gala? Now, one thing with Gala, and I need to tell you guys because I was wrong, okay? I was wrong before. I tried to short Gala here. It didn't end up so good, okay? It didn't end up good. Gala can move, man. Gala can move, okay? So remember, if we're going to get a parabolic move like this, that's almost 200%. Well, that doesn't mean that this can't do 200% either, okay? So this is why we're looking at this. This is why we're looking at where can Gala pull back in order for us to be profitable and grab those bags. Now, however, Gala has hit very high prices, okay? We're aware of that. But where can we look now to accumulate Gala so we feel like we're maximizing our entries, okay? We're maximizing our entries. Now, if you asked me before, this was a great spot to buy, okay? So we're not far off of that, okay? We're not far off of that. However, we've made a nice, beautiful bottom here, and we're looking for pullbacks, okay? We're looking for pullbacks. So when we pull this horizontal range here of volume, we can see one thing about Gala, which is very, very true, is that we have these squares of volume, okay? You can see these squares, volume, 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 okay? So we want to see volume get back up to this point of control that we have marked out here at 4 cents, 4.14 cents, okay? 4.14 cents. We are at 2.2 cents, okay? So these numbers can get very fuzzy. However, we know the volume is here, okay? So let's pull up our chart. So what does our chart say? Our charts say this. There's squares, okay? So we zoom out here and we can see volume node here, right? Matches up with the square there, okay? Volume node here matches with the square there, right? So these squares are where price stops, okay? Price is going to stop and chop, stop and chop, stop and chop, okay? Between these squares are areas where price is going to fly. It's going to move swiftly, okay? So we're watching that as well, okay? So zooming in here, we know the squares are where we're going to stop and pop and chop, okay? Stop, pop, and chop it. So you can see swift move, wee, okay? Wee, look at this, swift move, right? Swift move up, swift move down, bouncing off of our squares, right? So we have levels at these squares that we are going to mark out where price can react, okay? Where price can react, where we can look to take profits, to dollar cost average in, to trade, but first and foremost to accumulate. If you're bullish on this project, we want to accumulate, okay? So these are key areas where we're looking to accumulate. If we fall below these levels, well then, not financial advice, but just buy the damn thing, okay? If you believe in the project, do your own due diligence. But look at this. Can we continue upwards? Is this a good buying area? Quite possibly, okay? Quite possibly. However, we're trying to catch these wicks. So if you set limit orders on your exchanges where you think, okay, Alex O'Crypto, he said this might be a pullback. Look at that. If you set a limit order on that pullback, you would have caught it, right? So now we're preparing you for if we do head down here, we might get a little wick down to 0.01767, okay? So I set a limit order there. We get a little wick, and then we fly to the moon, okay? And you're like, oh, I grabbed that wick, man, okay? And then you can be packing your bags and laughing all the way up. So add these prices to your charts. Let's look for reactions. And remember, the squares, okay? Make squares in between these areas where we think price is going to chop sideways like it did here, chop sideways like it did here, and possibly chop sideways where it did here. And if it loses those levels, quick move up, okay? So I hope this helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content. We're making lots of these videos. Join us in the free Discord where you can ask for a coin, and I will go through, I will do some TA, and I will help you to find levels in order where you can accumulate, trade, however it may be. So much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. God bless you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.